Make your home a little heaven here on earth.
Every family should have a plot of ground toward cultivation. And for beauty, parents, a flower garden will be a blessing to your children. Your daughters would have better health in working a portion of each day upon the shrubs and flowers than the delicate employment of embroidery and crochet, which confines them indoors. Your children need active exercise in order to be healthful and happy. Parents, it will pay to expend a small sum yearly in purchasing flower seeds and shrubs. We have purchased these and have ever felt more than satisfied with the means we thus invested. You should help your children to arrange their gardens tastefully, and then assist them in planting their seeds and shrubs. Fathers should take an interest in these things for the benefit of their children, if they themselves have not a natural love for them.
Sila naman si Andy Michelle Bahaw. Na, bigyan kami ni Only.
Si Only din.
Tanong ka din, Misra.
Pakamayuhon. Ano na? Blessings ang Ginoo.
My husband takes as great a pleasure in my flower garden as myself and my children do. Frequently, when he has had hired help, has he left his labor and set all hands to work in preparing my plot of ground in order for my plants and seeds. This manifest kindness and interest have encouraged a love for flowers and plants in the minds of our children, and many hours have they devoted to the pleasurable exercise of the cultivation of these flowers, which they might have spent in exciting amusements and unquestionable society. We can all take pleasure in beholding the many beautiful varieties of opening buds and blossoming flowers of every description and hue, which our Heavenly Father has created for the happiness and benefit of His children. It is God's design that we should love the beautiful in nature. He made a garden for our first parents, and there planted with His own divine hand the trees for usefulness and ornament, and the beautiful vines bearing fruit of every variety and color. This was for the pleasure and happiness of man. If parents would more closely follow the example of their Creator in this respect, I believe they would have less trouble in bringing up their children to usefulness and happiness. If parents would encourage their children to love the beauties of nature, they would throw about them a safeguard to preserve them from iniquity prevailing among the youth.
A yard adorned with flowers, and some trees and shrubbery at a proper distance from the house, has a happy influence upon the family, promoting health and cheerfulness.
Parents can associate God with the works of nature, while beholding His works, the beautiful trees and plants and flowers. They can awaken an interest in their young minds for the glories of heaven. By making home and its surroundings attractive, they will lessen the desire for exciting pleasures and amusements which are injurious to the physical, mental, and moral health of children. You can beautify your homes with fruit trees and shrubs and flowers, and encourage in the minds of your children a love for these things. You can teach them in relation to the better life by connecting the beauties of nature so marred and imperfect and short-lived, with the never-fading and immortal beauties of Eden restored. You can unite with nature's your lessons of the love and mercy of our beneficent Creator, who has given them all these things for their happiness. You should seek to draw their hearts from nature up to nature's God, and connect the mercy of God with the morning light and the glories of the setting sun. His mercy is seen in the musical, murmuring streams, and even in frowning storms. Direct their minds to the mercy of God in the summer's heat and winter's cold. We can trace before them the mercy and wisdom of God in the falling of the blessed rain to refresh and enliven the parched earth and vegetation, and direct them to a love and wisdom that is infinite. Young hearts will respond to such lessons as these, and parents will be blessed in seeing the fruit of their labor in the physical, mental, and moral improvement of their loved ones. H.R. March 1st, 1871, Art. A. Parr. 10.
Today we are going to learn about multiplication. You're going to learn how to multiply. And if that sounds really scary, or if that sounds like a difficult thing, it's just because you don't know how to do it yet. Once you learn the game, once you learn the process, it's fun, it's awesome.
Financial management in the home. The foundation of business integrity and of true success is recognition of God's ownership. The creator of all things is the original.
Make your home a little heaven here on earth.
Please subscribe to our channel.